How to customize Mailchimp sign-up form and other default emails. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize or personalize the sign-up form that you're going to create in the marketing platform or the email and SMS marketing platform, which is going to be Mailchimp, and also the email or standard emails that you're going to modify and ready up for the campaigns. So you are going to head over your admin dashboard of Mailchimp. Obviously, you need to sign in for an account in here, and then you're going to click on create. So we are going to click on create. Then you're going to see the type of creation that you can do into this specific page. Now, I want you to remember something that these are going to be the defaults that you're going to create. So basically, if you are going to create a campaign, you're going to set up the email that you need to set up first or customize, and also the sign up forms here before the thing. So for example, we are going to start up with the sign up form. We are going to select or click on sign up form. We have a little extension for a drop down menu, which is going to have embedded forms, pop-up form, and sign up landing page. So here for the embedded forms, you are going to have a code at the end of the operation that will be embedded into a website like a Wix, for example. This is an embedded form that we have integrated within Wix that we have created on here Mailchimp. So this is very easy. You can go ahead and customize it or click on embedded form, create the name of the embedded form, for example, click on begin. Then you can go ahead and start customizing by adding the different, let's say here, fields and make these fields, for example, required, set them as required, change the display name of them just like that by clicking on this button or tick this box. And here we have it. Then you are going to click on continue, and you are going to get finally the code, copy and paste it in the embedded form. So here, as you can see, the subscribe form or the sign up form are going to be limited a little bit on the embedded one. So you're not going to get a lot of design, let's say here, and badges or tags put up in this form aside from this. So you can add only the referral badge, which is going to be showing up for the form itself. So I'm going to be back here since I have shown you the sign up form. As you can see, the embedded, we're going to head over the pop-up form. So obviously you are going to start by putting the name of it, and then you are going to customize it as much as you want by selecting here the email sign up, for example, or the mobile banner. It is not going to be that customizable, but the email one and also the SMS sign up is going to be a little bit, let's say, customizable by adding here some styles, selecting the styles, the font size, the colors, and etc. by adding some fields like these, and then make them as you can see required, or add some description on it. This right there process is needing a store or a website integrated within Mailchimp, so you can go ahead and activate that as a pop-up from the beginning of entering your website or your store on let's say here the platforms that host your website like Shopify, WooCommerce, and etc. You can go ahead and to the integration on your Mailchimp account. Then you are going to type in, for example, here, let's see if Wix is available. Yes, we have a Wix websites. We have also Shopify store. So you are going to type in Shopify. You are going to see here the integration that you can put. Aside from that, I'm going to head over the landing pages, which is going to be also named, and then you are going to see them as created. So you can go ahead and customize the whole page just like that, using a template and also setting up the thing. So it is going to be a whole page that you can customize. Now I'm going to talk about the emails right there. So we are going to click on create. Then you are going to select the type of email that we want to create. Obviously, we have the regular one. We have the plain text, only text, the multivariate, which is going to here put up a lot of emails and determine which is going to be working well for the customers. And finally, we have the templates. So I'm going to click on get started. So we are going to see all the templates. So here I'm going to set up here the templates. Basically, you are going to see all the templates. We have the basic layout, which are going to be free, the fully designed one, which is going to be also here not free, but it is going to demand from you a subscription to be working well, and the draft and also the coded one. So if you want to set up or apply some personalization or customization to a any email, select the category of them, for example here full email, and click on apply, and then you are going to put a template name. Click on save. So you are going to have here the editor opening up. So you have a drag and drop an editor. As you can see, add whatever you want from whatever you see here suits you well, from the layouts and from the columns and etc. And then you are going to click on save and exit, and the email is ready. So whenever you are going to create a campaign, the email is going to be waiting for you. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.